Okay, today you guys, I'm going to show you how I made these baked wings in my oven. These are some delicious ranch flavored baked wings. I'm going to be serving these up with some hot sauce. So let's get into this video so that you too can make some delicious great baked wings for your friends and family while you're watching some sports, a good movie, or just because you want to have some good wings. Okay, so I'm gonna cook some wings to go along with my green beans. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to season up my wings. This is some garlic pepper seasoning that I'm using. Always season up your food, your chicken, before you decide to cook it. These wings will be baked in the oven, okay? So after I do that, then I'm gonna heat it with some of this Tony's Saturated Creole seasoning, okay? If you like that flavor, go ahead and use some of that Tony's Saturated Creole seasoning. And we are going to turn these into some delicious ranch wings. Next, I am going to go in with some paprika for color, y'all. Don't put too much on there, okay? You're gonna end up, you know that paprika give your wings some kind of color. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit more black pepper, okay? It's just according to what you like, okay? I'm not gonna add any salt because once we add that ranch seasoning, it's gonna have salt in it. And one thing I've noticed about that garlic pepper seasoning, it does carry some salt in it as well, okay? So go ahead and hit your wings with some black pepper. I'm going to put some baking powder on my wings, okay? See that? That's baking powder, okay? I have to go to work, so I gotta make me something quick to eat for today. And you know I work a night shift, so that way I have me some wings. Okay, so once you have this side seasoned and you have baking powder on all of your wings, go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other side of your wings. Okay, so as you can see, I have the wings seasoned up with the seasoning and the baking powder, and also I have this placed in my pan on a wire rack. I'm going to cook these at 450 degrees in my oven. I'm going to cook them for 17 minutes, and then I'm going to come and turn them over after 17 minutes, and I'm going to cook them for about 10 more minutes after the 17 minutes. And okay, so these are the wings. They're not done. I'm about to get ready to turn them over in my oven. I want you guys to see that they are halfway done, okay? So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna flip them over, y'all, and then I'm gonna put them back in the oven, okay? See? And I'll be back once they are completely done. I'm gonna put them back in the oven for about 15 to 7 to 20 more minutes, okay? Because I want to make sure that they're crisping up the way that I like them, okay? So let me flip them over and get them back in the oven. Okay, y'all, so these are the wings cooked in the oven. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in a bowl and I'm gonna toss them in the ranch seasoning, okay? They are crispy, okay? And this is another small one I did. I didn't put as much seasoning on this one. And we just gonna put them in a bowl and toss them in the ranch seasoning. Okay, so I'm using some of the Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning packet. Oh gosh, that came out like a brick. I got another one. I got 2 packs. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just toss my wings in the ranch. And you don't have to fry wings to make ranch wings, y'all. Everything don't always have to be fried. Okay. Just toss your wings in there. You can put the lid over your bowl and just go at it. I'm just gonna toss mine with a spoon. Get the ranch flavoring all over. our wings. Or you can make hot wings, but this is the easy way to make some baked chicken without having to fry it. And I didn't put no oil whatsoever on my wings, y'all. No oil. So y'all, I'm just cutting up some celery and I'm gonna place it on my tray. This is just giving you guys an idea for decorating. Make sure you wash your celery because it be a lot of dirt on it, okay? This is an idea how you can set your wings up for serving. Because y'all know football season can get ready to start back up anyway. And if you want to add carrots, you can too, but I don't have any carrots, so I'm not adding the carrots. Okay? And also, you can use some dipping sauce. I'm just using some regular old Trappy Bulls hot sauce. Okay? So these are our baked chicken wings that taste just as good in the oven as they do deep fried or in your air fryer. You can use the same recipe to make some air fried chicken wings, whatever you like. Thanks for joining Cooking with TK. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below and stay tuned to my channel for another great video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Peace and have a great day.